Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will discover how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You will click on settings here in this page. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Luzia app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like